Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. How are you, children? I hope you are all fine at home. So, from today we are going to start online classes for the academic year 2021 to 22, children. So, in this class, you are going to learn Unit 1, large numbers. Large numbers. In previous classes, like second, third, fourth classes, you have learned a 3-digit, a 4-digit, 5-digit numbers. Yes or no, children? But here you are going to learn 7-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers, 9-digit numbers. And with these 3-digit numbers, means 7, 8, 9-digit numbers, you are going to do number of tasks, children, like addition, subtraction, or converting, or expressing in the word form. Next, it is greater than or less than symbols. By representing all, we can do a number of tasks, children, by using these 6, 7, 8, 9 digit numbers, children. So before going to do the exercise sums, you should know some of the glossary part, nothing but some terms you should know, children. Basics, we can simply call as basics. So first one is numbers. Numbers. You know, if I ask you what are numbers, you can say that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Yes, whatever you said is correct. But there is a definition for numbers, that is a value, a quantity or a value expressed by a word or a symbol. So children, the definition for numbers is a quantity or a value expressed by a word or a symbol. If you go to the shop, generally you will buy a chocolate or a biscuit packet. Yes or no, children? So if you observe the back side of the packet, there will be a quantity mentioned there. Means nothing but weight of that whole biscuit packet or chocolate. That may be 50 grams. We assume 50 grams is the quantity of that biscuit packet. And what is the cost of that 50 grams biscuit packet? It is 5 rupees. So this 5 rupees is the value and 50 grams is the quantity, children. But both are numbers. That numbers, 50 is number and 5 is also number. And we can express this 50 and 5 in the word form also, children. FIFT by 50 and FIVE 5. So number is nothing but a quantity or a value expressed by a word or a symbol. Next we'll see numeral. The term numeral. Numeral. What is numeral? A numeral is a symbol representing a number. So children, the example for numeral is 45, children. Here this 45 is a 2-digit number. Yes or no, children? It is a 2-digit number. 4 is a number and 5 is also a number. But 45 itself is also a number, children. So a numeral says that it is a symbol that just simply represents as a number. It is a numeral and we can also call it as a number, 45. Next we will see numeration. What is numeration, children? Expressing a number in the word form is called numeration. So I am taking the same example, 45. This is a number. Right now I want to express this 45 in the word form. So I can write. So this is the numeration. Expressing a number in word form. in word form is called numeration, children. Then next is natural numbers. Natural numbers. So children, natural numbers are just counting numbers. If your teacher asks you to count the number of presentees in the class, you may start counting from 0 or 1. It's from 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Yes or no? So counting numbers are nothing but natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers. Are called natural numbers. I am writing in simple as NN. Okay children, there are no end for this number. They are infinite children. Next we will see whole numbers. Whole numbers. So children, when 0 is included in the set of natural numbers, we call it as a whole number, children. We call it as a whole number. What is that? When 0 is included, when 0 is included in the set of n and nothing but it stands for natural numbers, children. When 0 is included in the set of natural numbers, we call it as a whole number, children. Right now we write the W set. W stands for whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, children. This is all about whole number. Then what is successor? What is successor? So children, if you have a shop, any shop, your father is maintaining that. So after your father, it may give to you or it may get to you. Yes or no, children? After your father, it was going to be looked by you. Yes or no? After your father retires from that, you are the one who is seeing all the works in the shop, children. That is nothing but successor. You might have seen and listened many king stories. Yes or no? After the father only, the son becomes as a king. Yes or no? Here also, successor is nothing but the number comes just after the given number. The number comes just after the given number. Just after the given number is called successor, children. So I will give you an example. I have written 500. Then what is the successor to this 500? 501. Nothing but 501, children. Then what is predecessor? What is predecessor? And I am saying here only, children, the definition for predecessor also. The number comes just before. Okay children, again I am writing here the definition for predecessor. The number comes just before the given number. For example, again I am taking 500. So the predecessor of 500 is nothing but 499. Means you want to subtract 1 from 500. In the successor, you want to add 1 to the 500, then it will become as a 501. So children, these are all the glossary part, children, but there are few basic points, children, you want to remember. See children, 0, there is no value for 0, you know that. So 0 should always be placed in the second digit, children. It should be in the second digit. It should not be in the first digit as to the left extreme. But suppose 0, 2, is there any value? But if I return 10, there is a value children. So 0 should always be in the second digit, means from the left it should be the second place. And next you want to know place value system children. Place value system. Place value system. So place value chart. So it starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So children, this is the place value chart children. Except ones period, in each and every period it contains 2 digits children. So this is all ones part, ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period. And this is crores period. See children, in the crores, thousands, lakhs, 10,000s, there is only 2 digits. 10 crores, crores. 10 lakhs, lakhs. 10,000s, thousands. But in the ones period, it contains 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds children. Understand children? Right now, I am giving a small example for this children. That is 35,240. Right now, I ask you what is the place value of 5. So 5 is here children. So you want to write the place value chart for this number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the 5 is in the place of thousands. So 5 into thousands, it is 5,000 children. So the place value of 5 is 5,000. Okay children, the place value of 5 is 5,000. We will look at the exercise, revision exercise in the next further class children. Thank you.